Hey guys, Pete with Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. I'm here with Connor. We're just going to give you guys some tips on how to get a ledger board up. So the first thing that we do is obviously we figure out where we're going to be putting our deck. So usually we're going off a door and dropping it about at least an inch underneath the door threshold. That leaves us an inch to get our decking under there. And then in places like Colorado, sometimes you leave a little more space because there can be snowpack and you don't want that going in the house. So we figure out the height. Then next we'll take off all the siding, usually cut it to the level of where our deck's going to be, and then pull off another board of siding above that. And what that does is it gives us a nice space, to get this vycor up against the house. That's a waterproof membrane that sticks to the house. Just creates a nice waterproof seal when we put nails and screws into the ledger. But then also so that we can get our flashing up on here easily. So this ledger's already put in. Obviously we get our line snapped level with where our beam is. And then once that's in, we'll just put our flashing up like that, and tape it up against there, nail it in. What we'll show you over here, we got our line snapped. We've got this ledger board cut to size. We've got a pocket beam going in the house sitting on the foundation over there. So this ledger board's cut just to fall just short of that. Connor and I will take the board. We'll get it level on my side where I need it. I'll shoot a nail in it. Connor will crank his side up to where he needs it. Now this line is level already, and then we'll just go through and nail it all off. Once we get the ledger board all nailed on, all down, then we figure out our layout. So we usually frame 12 inches on center, usually do triple beams on the end. So we'll get our layout drawn out, marked out all throughout the ledger, and then we'll use these 3 5/8 inch ledger locks. It's important to get the layout in first, because if you end up putting those ledger locks in right where your joist layout's going to fall, then it's going to bump your joist out, or maybe you won't be able to get your hanger on there well. So we'll put those in, and then what's important to pay attention to is that some houses you're going to have a rim joist underneath each floor, and some houses are what's called balloon framing. Balloon framing, the studs would just be running all the way up from the foundation to the roof, no rim joist. So on those, you're going to have to try to hit every single stud with your ledger locks. And depending on your drawing, that'll let you know how many you need in each stud. So most of the time, it's 3 ledger locks per bay. That's between our layout. And so this house, we just have a rim joist. So what we'll do is in between our layout, we'll just zip 3 ledger locks in on a triangle pattern or a zip pattern. And then get our layout going, get all our joists in, and that's how you put in a ledger, guys.